You will not believe the kind of day I'm having. So I get to school, only everyone's a zombie. But not because they had to sit through calculus. I mean, they're all zombies. All because of this dude, Swan.
It's party time, motherfuckers!
He used to be pretty quiet, but now he's all aggro.
This school, this world, deserves to be destroyed.
When I start feeling like that, I just knock back a strawberry lollipop. But Swan decided to take over the world.
There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn.
But my sucky day is about to get a lot better. Because now we get to the part where I kick his ass.